Welcome back to another vlog. Normally, every weekend, me and my wife like to sit down, collect a group of things that we'd like to accomplish over the weekend together, put it in a list. Here's the order. First is cut the grass, second is clean the cameras around the house, plus install the front net. Then we gotta go fill the cars, go to the stores, wash the cars while we're out at the stores, do a brake job on Jimbo's car. Then maybe I'll just get to work on Stinson and chicken coop. Last is the chicken coop. I've been working on the chicken coop every other weekend and have had the most success, and it stopped me from doing this. And I need to cut the grass. Grass cutting, done. Clean the cameras, front net. What do I mean by clean the cameras? Well, I have cameras around my house because one time we got robbed. In order to clean them, I need a... The camera sometimes gets a little bit dirty. You just gotta come and give her a quick little clean, you know? It's good to come up here and check that everything is in order. Also important to clean the solar panel. From what I can see, this camera actually has like some film on the inside of here. This lens, kind of like pick around this and pull this off. I don't think you're supposed to. Fortunately, not removable, but I cleaned it really, really, really good. And I got one more here, but it's like relatively new, so I'm not gonna clean it because it's already clean. That leaves one other topic I still need to do, and that would be the fly net. I gotta cut this out of the door. Oh, I'm so smart. Oh yeah, we're gonna need to take a break for this. With the fajita chicken, oh! For the front net, it's gonna involve installing this roller. I don't really know how it goes together, but we'll take it apart. That's a real long slinky. Here. Slide that down there. I'm gonna try that out. This is back in. It's all sealed off. It's time to go fishing. Done. Next, fill cars. We're also going to recycle. Let's get on that. Did you know they have this new recycling thing? It's called Volta. Some bottles have a little sign on it. And if you collect enough of these, I think it's like 10, you make €1. The only thing I'm not sure about if this is like only the EU that's doing this or just Mexico. I don't know. Even if it does look like the same truck does come and pick up all the same garbage and put it in the same truck, at least you know you did your part. Oh, no way. Yeah, that's pretty nuts. You know, next week's diesel's going on like almost €1. Recycling done. Cars filled up. Now we're going to the store and get both of these cars washed. Somebody called commented on one of my videos that they would love to hear like just a POV driving and audio clip of Stinson. I think it's a super cool idea because, like, to be real, he sounds incredible. I mean, so if that's like something that you would be interested in watching, like, let me know. I'm totally down to film one of those videos and put it together. Leave a comment.
So, parking spot right here. I'm facing down, away from people.
Got the goods. Shopping done. And batata fritas. Now it's time to go wash the cars. My wife's car's done. I'm sweaty. That must mean it's Stinson's turn. I didn't film Stinson getting washed. It was a little bit rushed. There was a couple of people behind me and I didn't want to take up any more time. Really, I forget what's left on the list to do. So I'm gonna get home, check the list, and hopefully we can cross off some more of those things. Maybe, maybe not. Bad news, everyone. We're not going to Margaritaville. We were able to put the fuel in the cars as well as do some recycling. That was very nice. It was very nice, wasn't it? All right, then we went to the store. That's done. Wash the cars. Finished. Now, Jimbo. I asked him first thing this morning if he wanted to, and he never got the response. What's my take and give here? Take and give. I'm gonna replace whatever I was gonna do on his car with Stinson. So number 7 for maybe working on Stinson just became 6, and that doesn't exist now. Thank you, Jimbo. Love you. And in between these two is gonna be clean garage as well as go to Margaritaville. This is actually, maybe there's an I in there? No I. Margaritaville, because there's no way we can go to Margaritaville. That's, I don't think that exists. I've been dying for margaritas, all right? I just watched some videos about how to make margaritas. I have all but none of the ingredients to make margaritas. I only said I didn't have the ingredients. I didn't say I wasn't going to Margaritaville. Margaritaville. Margaritaville is awesome. We've successfully done a trip all the way down to Margaritaville. That leaves me with 2 options, really 3. Clean the garage, maybe work on Stinson, and then chicken coop. I'm gonna be totally honest with you. I don't think I'm gonna be getting around to working on the chicken coop today. Somehow that feels okay. Here's what I'm thinking, and you can tell me if you think I'm wrong. Before any of these parts actually go to painting, they need a good primer. Small problem, I'm running out of primer for metal, but I'm gonna come up with a solution, and that's probably gonna be skipping the primer. I have a little bit of a thing for Subarus, just not the reliability of them. Due to that, what I'd like to talk about is the finish that Cobb Tuning produces on their aftermarket parts. I don't know if you can even tell on camera, but it's like the best part is this. before. They're like, oh, wait 24 hours before you start painting. Yeah, bro, how about less than 15 minutes? Let's give her the full coat, you know? Why wait around? This rock paint is nuts. It just like lays on a texture that can't replicate with normal spray paint. So you can see I got one piece hanging here from the vise. I got another piece hanging here. This one got a little bit of primer on it. I got another piece. This one was fully primed. That one's drying. And then I got this cover plate. It's also drying. Now, I'm not going to stop there because I'm also going to put some temperature paint afterwards. I have white temperature paint, but I don't know if I'm going to do white temperature paint. Maybe I'll just hit it with black. I still don't know. Maybe I'm being a little bit crazy. Let me get a little bit of this here. Black seems like it's the go-to. Red seems like a little overkill. White seems like it would go undeniably hard. You're gonna have to tell me what you think, because I'm pretty confident this isn't gonna dry in the time that I need to finish this video. And I also need to do like a decent sized cleaning of the garage. So let's have it cleaned up. Okay, the garage is more or less clean. Believe it or not, the paint is still not dry. Aside from everything that's been going on, I would like to take a moment to open up a package sent to me by Turbo Baby Benz. He absolutely hooked a brother up. He hit me up on Instagram and asked me if he could send me something. It's so sick. It is a Baby Benz keychain. This is like premium quality stuff. And you can go check out his Instagram. I'll link it in my description. It's really super, super nice quality. It's super, super cool to see guys in the W201 community support each other. The culture behind these cars is nuts. Massive shout out. Thank you so much. Did we work on Stinson a little bit? It was more of the maybe part. But yeah, we did work on Stinson. And did we clean the garage? Yes, we did. Outstanding from this list, the chicken coop. It's always something. At least we went to Margaritaville. I know this isn't like your traditional margarita, but it's not about whether it's a real margarita or not. It quenches the thirst. That's what's important.